Let's take a look at this Mopar. Just became available to purchase here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner 2-door hardtop. And yes, this is a true Roadrunner. That, of course, you can tell by the VIN number on a 69. There is an M as the second digit in the VIN. Now, this particular vehicle does have a 383 underneath the hood. It is the high performance with the H code in the VIN number. And it is also numbers matching, and you're able to see the stamp of the VIN on the engine in our still pictures, and I'll tell you where to check those out in a second. Now, that does have the heavy duty automatic transmission with it, and that is also numbers matching. As you can see, paint on this car also nice. Great luster to it. We maybe find some imperfections here and there, yes, but overall very, very showable and straight car. Also underneath the hood, power steering, and this was a factory AC car. We have not had the AC working or blowing cold. It appears the components are there, and I'll pop the hood in a bit too, and we'll check out underneath there so you can see the engine bay. Now, still pictures. You can check out everything in the still pictures. Again, the stamping, the fender tag, the interior, exterior pics, engine bay. Check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the still pictures. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. You can see how nice a bumper and the chrome and everything on this car up front. Some of the trim shows a little bit of age, but again, overall, very showable, nice car. One of the options when you decode the fender tag, of course, fender mounted blinker markers. And again, up and down the side of this, very straight. You can see the reflection on the wall behind me. Not full of dings, dents, nicks, scratches. Now, as far as color of this car, is a factory color. This was a dark green metallic original color. And it also had green interior. It would be the high vinyl bent seat in green. So this one, very, very similar to the way it would have rolled off the assembly line, coming from Plymouth. Obviously riding on American Racing, 5-spoke wheels. Great look on this car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust, and again, chrome, nice in the rear of this car. A little bit of pitting up around these taillight bezels. But again, nothing terrible. Still a very showable car. One thing I also noticed is, they have a partial VIN stamped inside the trunk here. That is there. They also have that stamped on the radiator support up front. You can see it there also. So again, quite original car. Take a look up and down this driver's side. Again, you can see the reflection of the cars in the showroom behind me. Very straight. You get a long car like this in a darker color. If it's not straight, it'll stand out. And take your time, look through the still pictures, check out the engine bay, check out the trunk, look at the stamping on the still pictures, and they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Some of the options on this car, again, those fender mounted turn signal indicators. Does have both rear view mirrors on the outside, as you can see. So it did have the right hand outside mirror also added. Drip rail moldings. Solid state AM radio. It has had a realistic aftermarket radio put in there. There is a solid state AM radio in the trunk that will go with the car though. Let you know about that. Some of the things I did play around with on the inside. Wipers do work. Radio works. Blower fan works. Horn works. And interior, again, very original looking interior. The way it would have came in '69. All the way down to the seat belts, and they are tucked into the holders. They're in front of the seats, as well as in the front here. Now, of course, you have an extra one because you have your shoulder belts. Can't quite see it there, but there are shoulder belts up above here. There you go. All right, let's fire this up. One other thing, the dash, nice shape, not cracked or sun-baked or anything like that. All right, you see the gas gauge coming up. This gas gauge is working. There's a little aftermarket stereo that was put in. See how easily it starts, nice it sounds. And again, numbers matching, 383. High output one. Come around the back, great sounding car. Definitely turn some heads when you roll up. And the looks and the sound. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. Give you guys a peek at the engine bay. Alright, there you go. 383 running very smoothly. And again, power steering, AC, factory options on this car. So if you're looking for a Mopar or Roadrunner, great year for the Roadrunner. And you want one that's very similar to the way it would have rolled off the assembly line back in '69, here you go. Dark metallic green, 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner 2-door hardtop, numbers matching, engine and tranny. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.